Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assessing what you already own and what truly fits. This saves money and prevents impulse buys. Once done, measure chest, waist, hips, and inseam so you can shop confidently online or in store. Make a concise list of 10 frequently worn items and 3 missing categories to prioritize. Also set a realistic budget per season. That tells you when to splurge on a blazer versus when to opt for cheaper basics. This prepares you to choose items that work together and last. Next, you explore styles and materials to match your lifestyle and maintenance tolerance. Start by testing one new silhouette per trip so you learn what flatters you without overwhelming your wardrobe. Compare fabrics for comfort and longevity. Understand why wool often outlasts cheap synthetics, but cotton may require more frequent replacement. Calculate cost per wear by dividing price by expected wears to see real value. Once comfortable, pick pieces that mix with existing items so each buy increases outfit combinations. Finally, you focus on fit, final decisions, and safeguards before purchase. Try clothes through full movement, sit, raise arms, and walk to ensure real-world comfort. Make sure seams and buttons sit correctly. If fit is close, plan for alterations and budget accordingly because tailoring often transforms a good buy into a great one. Before paying, confirm the return policy, keep receipts and tags, and photograph any defects. If something goes wrong, return or alter quickly. This preserves value and prevents regret.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.